Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with admin rights because changing adapters needs elevated access. First, note the current adapter model so you can revert if needed. Once ready, open Device Manager using Win+X or DevMount. MSC, this places the hardware list in front of you. Expand Display Adapters and locate the device. Right-click it to see options like Update Driver, Disable Device, and Uninstall Device. Do this now so the system context is set. It prevents surprises when installing or switching adapters later. Now you decide whether to update, roll back, or install manually. If you choose Update Driver, pick Search automatically for updated driver or browse My Computer for drivers to point to a downloaded package. If a recent update broke things, select Properties and roll back driver to return to the prior version. This restores known good behavior. For new or replaced hardware, uninstall the device, reboot, then install the manufacturer driver so Windows applies correct settings and avoids generic drivers that limit performance. Finish by restarting the PC so drivers load cleanly and Windows can configure the adapter. After reboot, go to Display Settings to confirm resolution and refresh rate match your monitor and the adapter name matches expectations. Make sure to test graphics-intensive tasks briefly to validate stability. If you encounter crashes or black screens, boot into Safe Mode, open Device Manager, and uninstall the problematic driver. Then install a different version or the OEM driver. That single troubleshooting step resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.